Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I brought you guys something pumpkin looking fall eye look. I really just wanted to use this glitter, and then of course I wanted to try out the P. Louise base. My first time trying it. I just bought this, so I was like, you know what, I need to sit down and do a makeup look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes, and to do that I'm going to use the P. Louise eyeshadow primer. This is in the color, I think this is in the color Rumour 2. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids. So for today I'm thinking of maybe doing something like orange. Yeah, maybe do oranges with a little bit of glitter, something. So for this look, I'm going to use the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to be going in with this color. This is in the color Suck. And I'm just going to be patting that into my crease. So now that that color is placed on, I'm just going to do the usual, start blending. And then I'm going to be bringing it out. So just winging it outwards. And really, again, blending out that orange so there's no harsh line. So now with a Morphe 139 brush, I'm going to be picking up this color Licorice. Yeah, Licorice onto my crease, just to give that a little bit more of definition. Okay, so now I feel like I lost the orange, so I'm going to be going back with that brush that I first went in with, and that orange color, and putting it right above that red. Just to bring it back to life, because I feel like I totally lost that color. Taking a clean brush and blending out that orange. Now to cut the crease, I had started a little bit, but I'm actually gonna remove any of that red or orange color that are on my crease. So now to cut my crease, I'm going to be using the P. Louise base, just any regular flat brush. I'm going to start cutting my crease. So now that we cut our crease, going back into the Jawbreaker palette, I'm going to be picking up the color Orange Juice. It's like a really pretty orange metallic. I'm going to be using a Morphe E10 brush, and then picking up that orange color with a little bit of some setting spray, spraying that just to make it that much more intense, and placing this onto my eyelid. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, so now that we did that, I kind of want to do a little bit of glitter. I don't know. So I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue. This is just the crafts. This is from the craft store from Hobby Lobby. Just any kind of like brush, like some really thin brush like that. I use these for like detailing and eyeliner, so I'm going to be using this for today. And then for glitter, I'm going to be using this glitter. It's, look how pretty that is. I'm going to be placing the glitter glue right here. So right above where that crease is. And then to apply the glitter, I'm going to use this brush is from BH Cosmetics. It's the same thing, just a little bigger, just an eyeliner brush, and picking up a little bit, just a bit at a time, and start pressing this against that glue. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and do my eyeliner, mascara, lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that we have our eyeliner and lashes on, I'm gonna move on to my face. So to prime my face, I'm gonna use Tatcha. This is the Silk Canvas primer, and picking it up with it came with like this little disc or whatever it's called. So I'm picking up a little bit, and then on the back of my hand, I'm gonna start warming it up and putting this all over my skin. So for foundation, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Sand. And then I'm going to be mixing in a little bit of the Jouer High Coverage foundation. And then this is in the color Beige Nude. On the back of my hand, I'm going to be mixing both of these foundations. I'm just going to add a little bit of this one. And then with this one, you just really need to make sure you really shake it up. And I'm only going to be putting it a little bit. So putting this all over my face. So with this e.l.f. sponge, I'm just going to be blending all of this out. And then to cream contour, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then this is in the color Chestnut. Oh, that was a lot. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm in the color Nude. So I'm going to go ahead and use this for today. I'm just going to put this under my eyes. So with the Makeup Shack blending sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend this concealer out. So now for powder, I'm going to use this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder, and I'm in the color Vanilla. So, blending this out one last time. Just blending out any creases. And then taking a sponge.
And setting it.
And then just setting the rest of my face with that same powder. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm just going to use what I usually use, the L'Oreal Bronze Me Please bronzer on this Real Techniques Duo Fiber brush. So for blush, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty. These are like their flower pots, and this is in the color Peach Primrose. It's super pretty. It's like a peachy, like a nice peach nude blush. And I'm just going to use this brush right here. And start brushing outward. So for my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and take the color Suck on this like flat shading brush and start working this on my lower lash line. So I did my lower lash line, and then I also I put some of this white eyeliner on my waterline just to make the eyes seem bigger. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face with this. Is just some setting spray or face mist. This is from Pearl Essence, and this is the aloe and rose water scent. So I'm just gonna spray this all over. I'm just gonna put on some mascara on my lower lashes. And I'm gonna use the ColourPop BFF mascara. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna use the Master Chrome by Maybelline, and this is in the color Molten Gold on this Makeup Shack T38 brush. And just wiggle it in there. And I'm just gonna put a tiny bit right here. That on my nose. So for lips, I'm gonna be using the Morphe lip liner, and this is in the color Sugar Pie, yes. And I'm just gonna line my lips.
And they don't bleed, and they go on so smoothly.
So for lipstick or liquid lipstick, I'm the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lip, and this is in the color Sweet Tooth. I'm also going to use this Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. Oh, okay, there we go. This is a completed look. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.